Good morning, students. Today we start new topic, sugarcane. Sugarcane is one of the most important cash crop of. It is a tropical and semi-tropical crop of grass family. It is very hard, thick joint stem which contain the cane sugar, source of gur, khansari and sugar. It belongs to a bamboo family of plants and is indigenous to India. It is tropical crop grown in the Kharif season, that means summer season. Now we discuss about that the climatic conditions. Sugarcane can be grown in the variety of soil. In northern India, means in Ganga, Punjab, Haryana plain, it grow well in the alluvial soil. And in the south, black soil or lava soil is beneficial for the growth of sugarcane. In the south, means sugarcane industry is more developed earlier in the north, but now it tendency to move the south. Acid or alkaline soils are harmful for the plants. Like other crops, that nitrogen or calcium, phosphorus, if found in the soil, that is good for the growth of sugarcane. Sugarcane is a soil exhausting crop, so time to time fertilizer add to the soil to maintain the fertility of the soil. Flat level plains or plateau regions are ideal for sugarcane cultivation. Now we discuss that the climatic condition. Temperature. Sugarcane need an average temperature 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Not more than 20 degrees Celsius or not less than 20 degrees Celsius. Temperature is suitable for that the sugarcane. Frost is injurious to the plant, and but short cool dry season during the ripening time, that is considered ideal for sugarcane. Rainfall, that is rainfall should be 75 to 120 centimeter, well distributed. But it doesn't mean that the water will be stand in the roots of the plant, because water logging is harmful for that the sugarcane. Now we discuss about the methods of cultivation. Now we discuss methods of cultivation. The ground is prepared in advance by plowing, means to we can say prepare the ground by with the help of that the furrows. Means adequate application and natural manure is essential for the planting. Different methods are used. Old method is that the scattering of seed method, that is a obsolete method. Nowadays nobody use this method. First method is the set method is there. In this method, sugarcane is grown by the, means we take there the healthy cane, and we have to cut from the joint this cane, and then again we have to replant it in the field at a regular interval. The plants start growing in about 2 weeks. The buds sprout to form new stalks. New stalks means new stems. From each plant, 6 to 8 stems grow. Soil should be well fertilized and well irrigated. Second is the ratoon method. In ratoon cropping method, first of all, crop when it is prepared, the sugar is cut leaving the root intact in the soil. Means, for example, 1 year we grow the crop with the set methods, and at the time of harvesting, when we have to cut the sugarcane, some of the part of sugarcane we left in the soil, and when the second crop grow, that is called a ratoon. Second crop is considered as a ratoon. The advantage of ratooning is this crop no need to planted again, and it mature very short period of time. There is a less expenditure, means that not give that the means extra burden to the farmers. Disadvantage, the sucrose of the sugarcane which we get from the ratoon method, that is very thin. So it is not means we can say consider as the best method for that the sugarcane. Some disease affect that the sugarcane plants, that we consider that the moth, termite, white flies, black bugs, red root, smut, rust. These are the few disease which have to affect sugarcane crop. Soon after harvesting, sugarcane should be sent to the factory within 48 hours, because within after the harvesting, if we not process the sugarcane juice, it will destroy. So within 24 hours we have to process the sugarcane juice. Next we discuss about the areas. In India has the largest area under sugarcane cultivation in the world after Brazil. In northern India, the Ganga Yamuna plains, or you can say Punjab Haryana plain, they are the larger producer area of sugarcane. 50% sugarcane come from these areas. In south, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu is the major area for the sugarcane production is there. Sugarcane cultivation is, I already told you, that is tend to move to the south. Due to the reason, there is a sugarcane research institute is set up in the Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu, which started at the means hybrid we can seeds of the sugarcane, and the climatic condition is also ideal. There is a no loo, there's no high temperature, frost free winters are there, and coastal area provide the maritime climate for the growth of sugarcane. Black soil is also ideal for the growth of sugarcane, and the new methods of cultivation is used. That's why sugarcane cultivation industry is more developed in the south. This is your topic today.